Hey everybody, so I tried to get a video of this before and the owner wasn't here, but he's just given me permission to look inside. So I believe he said the bus is a 62 and the camper is a 71 Scotty, and he has joined them together. So I'm going to show you inside with his permission. Okay. So he's built this kitchen area here. Looks like it's all homemade. And then he's got a big bed in here. It's probably a full size, I guess. With some shelving in the back. A little light up there. And I don't see air conditioning, but he does have a fan on the ceiling. So there's the kitchen. That's pretty neat. Nice laminate flooring. Alright, so I'm going to show you the rest. I'm at a Volkswagen bus event called Buses on the River, and it's at Nolichucky Gorge Campground in Erwin, Tennessee. And there's the back and the side. That's pretty neat. It's very textured, the paint that he's got on here. You can see that. It's got a bike rack on the front, tire rack up top, trailer trash license plate, and there's his bicycle. So there it is, guys. The nickname of this camper is the Snail, and I think you can agree that it kind of looks like a snail. That's today's video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you later. Bye.